Bellabin Chinese Food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very easy, very quick recipe. That is shrimp and egg fried rice. It is also very nutritious. You see, it contains shrimp, eggs, vegetables, and rice. So it is very good for lunch or for the supper. Prepare time is only about 20 minutes. Then you can eat. Okay, let's take a look how I cooked this delicious plate. The material I used for this plate are some shrimp, leftover rice, bok choy, smoked hams, a little bit green peppers, 1 carrot, some green onions, a little bit ground Sichuan pepper. The rice I used is Carol's rice. It needs to be left over, put in the refrigerator for a whole night. You cannot use the new cooked ones because there's too much moisture, cannot do stir fry. I also used smoked ham that show in the photo. I used 1/3 of this smoked ham. It gives you a little bit smoked meat flavor and it turns very nice. But smoked ham is just one option. If you don't have it, it's okay. It won't affect your quality of your stir fry. Just the taste, you don't have smoked meat flavor. Cut the smoked ham. Open it. I only use 1/3 of this ham. Remove the wrapper and slices it into about 1/2 inch thin slices. Then cut the slices into small cubes or small bits. Then cut the carrot into about 1/2 inch thick slices. Then cut slices into small cubes or small bits too. Then we cut the green peppers into same size small bits too. Now we slice green onions and chop them into small pieces. After that, we wash the bok choy and clean the shrimps. Now, everything is ready for cooking. Now, we put 1/8 salt, just a little bit of salt, into the shrimp plate. And then stir to mix the salt and the shrimp. That's marinating the shrimp. Then set aside. Then put the bok choy into the boiling water for about 20 seconds. Then take them out, put them into the cold water. In the same boiling water, drop in the carrot cubes. After the water is boiling, boil them about 30 seconds. Then take them out, put them into a plate. Heat a non-stick wok over medium heat. Then drop in a little bit oil, just about half tablespoon of oil. When the oil is warmer, add in green onions. Then stir fry the green onions until they getting softer. Then add in green peppers. Stir fry, stir fry. When the green pepper is softer, then add in shrimp. Stir fry, stir fry. When the shrimp change color to a little red, then add in smoked hams. Stir fry, stir fry. Because the hams is all cooked. Don't need stir fry for long. Just a little bit. Now it's ready. Transfer them to a plate. Then use the same wok. Put it back onto the stove. Add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is warmer, then add in the beaten eggs. Stir fry, stir fry. Then add in green onions. Stir fry, stir fry. Use the turner while stir frying. Also use the edge to cut the eggs into small pieces. Then add in ground Sichuan pepper. Stir fry. Then add in the rice. Stir fry the rice. Stir fry. Stir fry. You see, there's a block of rice, so you need use the turner and to make them broken, make them to separate pieces. Stir fry about 5 minutes. Then all the rices become individual ones, and they are well done from outside to inside. Then we add in carrot bits, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, that's light soya sauce. And then 1/2 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Then 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then stir fry. Add in shrimp and hams. Then add in bok choy. Now we have everything in the wok. Stir fry. Stir fry to mix everything together. Because now there's some liquid in the wok, so that's why we need stir fry little bit, about 1 minute. Stir fry. Oh, it's really yummy. Looks like yummy. Now, there's not too much moisture in the wok. It's time we turn off the stove. Oh, transfer them to a plate. Wow, let me to try first. Looks like so nice. Delicious food. Wow, delicious food. How do you like my recipe? You gonna to try soon? Okay, thank you if you give me some comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.